I have a quiz for you fishermen out there this morning. Here I have a container of chicken liver that's almost completely full, and over here I have one that's empty. Now the question is, which one of these is heavier? Now for the longest time I assumed that the one that's completely full is heaviest, but now I'm beginning to think otherwise, because it seems that fishermen routinely bring in these containers of chicken liver and they're completely full, and they don't seem to mind the weight at all, but yet when it comes time to go, they leave stuff like this on the bank, and so apparently it's too heavy for them to take out. And I see this more and more where I fish. There's all kinds of stuff laying around. Soda bottles, all sorts of wrappers and containers, even broken fishing poles, and it really takes a lot of the fun out of fishing when there's junk laying all over. So do me a favor, next time you go fishing, make sure you clean up after yourself when it's time to go home.